Hi everyone, this is a tutorial video on our Blackboard page for the online child psychology and development course. So first you'll see the announcements tab. That is where all announcements and emails will be listed. As you can see, I don't have any yet for this term. The next tab is instructor information, my email, my work phone, my office location, and a picture of me and my husband. Then we have syllabus and course calendar. It's not listed there yet, but it will be right here as soon as I'm done getting all the dates ready for you guys. So you'll be able to download it as a PDF. And then the Pearson Revel text is our textbook. You have to purchase the online Revel text. You do not have to purchase a paperback copy, but you have to get the online access. That's where you will read your textbook, take your online chapter quizzes, and raise a virtual baby. So this link gets you signed up into Revel, and this link goes over how Revel works for students. Now, our weekly modules, here's week one. You'll see there'll be a video on week one, a video about the syllabus and schedule, kind of going over all the details. And then every week you'll have a class discussion board and a My Virtual Child parenting group discussion board. For each of those discussion boards, your post is due Thursday, and your replies to other students or your group members are due on Sunday. So again, there'll be a week one video for you to go through under the week one module. I also have a tab about assignments. We have the empirical research summary, anecdotal observation assignments, and the My Virtual Child assignments. So you can click on each of those links. You'll find samples, details, rubric, and submission links. My grades, once you have grades, they'll start being displayed here. You'll see due dates, and again, those are from past term, but those will be updated for your course. Now, you can always click on Ask Your Instructor if you want to post a question for the whole class to read. It'll also take you to our discussion board. So you see how week one is also listed there. Same thing if I click here on discussions. Ask Your Instructor will always be listed first, and whatever weekly discussion board is open for that week will be listed next. Now, let's say you want to ask me a question. You would click here on Ask Your Instructor, create thread, type your subject, your message, and click Submit. Okay, so again, ask your instructor, all your discussions, and once you're in a group, you'll be able to access all of your group discussion boards from the Group tab. Now, how-to videos, I have, again, the Revel videos about discussion boards, the empirical research summary, and I'll keep updating that to have more and more videos to help you. Just some general netiquette information for navigating an online course, and some APA resources for you. I have some videos, some different documents to help you. Now, tools is also available for you at any time. As you can see, there's a lot listed there. What may be helpful for you is send email. You can send it to everyone, all students, including me. You can send it to all students. You can email me through here, so you can choose. Lastly, the help button here is available in case you need it. It takes you to another website, but it has all kinds of in the know information for students. Now let me go back to our Blackboard page. Please email me if you have any questions. Again, all these tabs are available, but if anything is confusing, please send me an email. Thank you.